So just taking a quick daily look at Vechain on the daily time frame here, as you can see, looking like we are still consolidating in our local area, putting in a little bit of a range, as I said before, really just looking like we are consolidating and accumulating, basically just consolidating and going sideways, building some nice market structure after having these really nice moves to the upside for Vechain, that clean break of the bear market resistance, and then before that obviously that nice kind of parabolic curve that we did see to the upside. We came down, consolidated. This price action here all very highly correlated to Bitcoin's price action. We basically got that ETF approval for Bitcoin, and then the market just basically followed Bitcoin to a T. We came down, we retested our 100 moving average just like Bitcoin did. We came down and retested our 0.23 Fibonacci here at 2.7 cents. The breakout, the back test, and then that nice parabolic move off of that level there. To the upside, we come into this area of structure here. Start kind of bouncing sideways, which is what we've been doing, holding support really well, to be honest. And as I said, putting in a little bit of a range for Vechain, as you can see, the bottom of the range being that 0.38 Fibonacci level as support. And then the top of the range up here around 5.1 cents really. We've been bouncing between these two levels quite a bit now. You can see resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance again. And you know, we'll probably continue chopping sideways for a while until Bitcoin goes up to the upside and gets well beyond that all-time high, which is at 70.2k right now, I believe. But we've also got to consider Ethereum as well, which just seems to keep steaming upwards continuously. So obviously with Vechain, you know, just consolidating and chilling right now, we need to see, you know, maybe a little bit of slowing off in the pace for Bitcoin and Ethereum, so some capital can rotate into these larger alts and start moving them. But right now, Vechain looking really, really solid on the macro as well. As you can quite clearly tell here, you've just got that very similar market structure to the previous bear market and bull market. Very, very simple accumulation, sideways consolidation, break, back test, bull market. And now you can see here, sideways accumulation and consolidation. We've got the break, the back test, and now we're just getting into that bull market after breaking out of that resistance of the bear market as well. So really interesting times ahead. Vechain looking fine. Right now looks like it's consolidating probably for another move to the upside, but obviously being highly correlated to Bitcoin as these cryptos are. If we do see ourselves breaking to the downside and heading down for Bitcoin again, we'll see a retracement as you'd expect, probably down to around, I would say around 3.5, anywhere from 3.5 to 4 cents I think would be reasonable. But if we do see ourselves continuing to the upside, we're going to see ourselves heading up to around that 0.50 Fibonacci at 6 cents, probably the 618 as well, if we keep seeing some of that great movement we've seen for alts recently. Once Bitcoin and Ethereum start to slow down, I think we'll see some pumps for Vechain. So let's see what we can do going into the halving.